What's going on? So let's talk about the best crypto news sources. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, if you want to make smart decisions in the world of crypto, it is important to stay updated with the latest news. There are many places online where you can learn all about crypto trends, new coins, what's happening in the market. So one great source for this is called CoinDesk. Check them out. They post news articles that explain everything you need to know in simple terms. Step one is to start following CoinDesk and other crypto news sites like CoinTelegraph. These sites update regularly and provide important information that can really help you make better decisions about what crypto to invest in. Okay? Step two, use social media platforms like Twitter or Reddit to follow crypto experts. Many smart people share their thoughts on which coins are going to go up in value, and you can learn a lot from others and by reading their posts or by asking questions. Step three, use apps like crypto.com to keep track of your investments. They also have news updates, right in the app, so you can even stay informed while managing your crypto. Now, by following these steps and staying informed, you could really make good choices and possibly grow your wealth over time. By the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link below in the description because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways.